How many of you have started with your Facebook groups? After I told you the importance of Facebook groups, how many of you have started doing that? Good. You got your first lead using Facebook group. Brilliant. Awesome. That is what I want you to do. Because believe me, it is going to get you so many results and so many opportunities that you are not even aware about. Not even aware about. You got more inquiries. Good. देखो यार, मैं ना आपको एक बहुत क्लियर कट बात बताना चाहता हूँ यहाँ, बहुत ही ज्यादा क्लियर कट बात, ध्यान से सुनो। अगर आप ऑफिशियली पूछोगे ना, ऑफिशियली जो हमारी एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी थी वो शुरू हुई थी 9th July 2012 को। 9th of July 2012 is when our official journey of entrepreneurship started. For the first 5 years, 6 years, we were actually just struggling. 5.5 years struggling. थोड़ा बहुत नाम बना था, थोड़े बहुत लोगों ने जानना शुरू करा था, रेवेन्यू नहीं आता था, अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं आती। उसके बाद चीजें स्केल करना शुरू करा, इंटरनेट का ज्यादा ज्ञान आया, वी स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इंटरनेट फॉर आवर ओन सेल्फ, वी स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग मोर अपॉन आवरसेल्व्स, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड जनरेटिंग मोर रेवेन्यू फॉर अस. And the reason why I'm saying this to you is because what you don't realize is that so many of you start with something and then just after a few days you are like, sir, results are not coming, things are not happening, and you just tend to give up. And then later on you get demotivated seeing something else, and then you start with something else. And the harsh reality is that in the past 5 years, so many of you have started with so many things. And none of them has worked because you were not continuous, because you were not regular, because you did not do it on a regular basis. And I can vouch for it that so many of you have done it. Do you get that? Do you agree with that? Yes. तभी मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, जो भी चीजें मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ ना, उसमें लॉन्ग टर्म माइंडसेट के संग काम कर. Work with them with a long term mindset. What people don't understand is we go to a school, we go to a college, we invest 16 to 18 years of ours, rather we spend 16 to 18 years of ours, and then we get a job that we don't even like in most of the cases. And that does not even pay us well after spending lakhs of rupees. So if you are doing something else, which can give you more money, which can give you more opportunities, which can give you more results, we need to give it time. Do you get that? Even right now, what I feel is that I have just started. There is such a long way to go. Then how can you people say that, Rahul, I have started with something, I'm not getting results, I'm getting demotivated and things like that? Understand, everything requires patience. Everything requires you to sit over there, put your head down, and then do the work for a long-term basis. That's extremely, extremely important for you. Got that? That's the thing. Good. Somebody says, sir, there are a lot of people who are reaching out to a lot of people. Why would we be different? You would be different because of your consistency. That is what you've got to understand. A lot of people are working. A lot of people are putting in the work. A lot of people are doing a lot of information. But the person who continues, a person who does well, a person who's able to do the things on a regular basis, that is the person who is going to win, because you are getting in front of people regularly, repeatedly. And you know the most important factor in order to get results for yourself, in order to generate revenue, in order to get more sales, is the trust factor. The trust factor. And the trust factor is developed over a period of time. Use your Facebook group and then start adding more value. When you add more value in your Facebook groups, automatically you would be able to get opportunities going for you. Because it is the same way, right? You add more value, 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 then you pitch. Then you tell people to buy something or the other. Then you tell people to buy something, a program of yours, or maybe to become a part of your session, or maybe to become a part of anything that you're offering to them. But the only reason and the only way how that's going to work for you is when you are getting in front of people on a repeated basis. And the Facebook group is one of the ways what you can use for yourself. समझ में आया? इसको आपको यूज करना है और रेगुलरली यूज करना है. तो आपका फेसबुक ग्रुप यूज करो, रेगुलरली जाओ और अपॉर्चुनिटीज बनाओ. Somebody is right, but if we reach out to people on a regular basis, then will we get blocked? आपका पहला डाउट ये है कि इतने सारे लोग मार्केट में काम कर रहे हैं, नेगेटिव थॉट. सेकेंड डाउट ये है कि लोग इरिटेट होकर ब्लॉक तो नहीं हो जाएंगे, नेगेटिव थॉट. Why don't you realize that people would see your efforts, that you are reaching out to them again and again, and then they will become a part of your community? It depends upon how you look at things. See, I send you multiple reminders to become a part of my trainings so that you don't miss out on a training. You know why? Because I feel that you might be occupied. If there is somebody who gets irritated, oh, he sends me so many messages, I don't want such a person. I don't want such a person who does not appreciate my efforts. And that is why you don't have to sell to everybody. And people, it is simple. What you have in yourself is what you're going to see in others. तो आपका जो खुद का माइंडसेट है वो चेंज करना बहुत जरूरी है. जब आप खुद के माइंडसेट को बदलोगे तब आपके पास रिजल्ट्स खुद ब खुद आने लग जाएंगे. Everybody clear with that? And the same thing is going to work for you in the Facebook group post as well. Use that to your advantage and तब वो results आप खुद ब खुद के लिए create करेंगे. So make a video and write notes how to get engagement using Facebook groups. How to get engagement using Facebook groups.